Welcome. Let's dive into SAP, the tool that's revolutionizing businesses worldwide. In this session, we'll break down the essentials, explain why SAP is a game changer, uncover its career opportunities, and prepare you for an enriching journey ahead. Get ready for some fun learning. SAP doesn't have to feel like climbing Mount Everest. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. SAP is like the Swiss Army knife for businesses, versatile and invaluable. It leads the ERP world by streamlining operations and boosting decision-making with real-time data insights. Plus, it empowers companies to scale and grow with confidence. Intriguing, right? Let's explore this powerhouse in depth. Here's where SAP gets a bit like a buffet. You've got plenty of modules to choose from finance to human resources. These modules ensure every business function gets a boost. Whether you're crunching numbers or managing employees, there's a module for that. Let's dive into the menu. Think of SAP ERP as the brain of a business. It integrates processes, enhances efficiency, and keeps operations running smoothly. It's like giving businesses a superpower. We'll take a closer look at how ERP makes everything work seamlessly. Excited? Let's unpack this marvel. Want to be in demand and earn big bucks? Learning SAP can make it happen. It opens doors to global opportunities, sharpens your skills, and guarantees competitive salaries. And let's face it, who doesn't love a fat paycheck? Let's explore why SAP is the skill of the future. The beauty of SAP training. Almost anyone can join. From fresh grads to seasoned IT pros, there's something for everyone. If you're eager to learn and grow, then SAP is your ticket to success. So, ready to see if you're the perfect fit? Let's find out. Here's the deal. SAP doesn't demand a PhD in rocket science, just some basic computer skills, a grasp of business processes, and a love for tech will do. The most important ingredient, your enthusiasm to learn. Let's see how prepared you are. SAP courses are like a perfectly planned meal, balanced and fulfilling, with a mix of theory and hands-on practice. The structure ensures you get the best of both worlds, and the flexible duration. It's tailored for all. Let's peek into how these courses are designed. Learning SAP without practical training is like learning to drive without a car. It just doesn't work. Hands-on experience with real-world scenarios ensures you're job-ready. So buckle up. Practical training is where the real fun begins. All right, let's talk about SAP certification. It's like a golden ticket in the tech world. Recognized worldwide, respected by companies, and a great way to show off your expertise. It's not just about having a fancy badge, though. This certification boosts credibility, helps you climb the career ladder, and confirms that you really know your SAP stuff. Think of it as your passport to better job prospects, minus the airport security hassle. If you're thinking SAP skills are just for one industry, think again. From finance to logistics, companies everywhere need SAP professionals. More demand means more job opportunities. And yes, better salaries too. Who doesn't love that? Plus, SAP skills give you global mobility, meaning your career passport is valid anywhere in the world. So whether you're dreaming of working in New York, London, or Tokyo, SAP could be your ticket there. The job market loves SAP professionals. Why? Because companies are constantly upgrading their ERP systems and need experts to make it all work smoothly. Whether you're into consulting or development, there's room for you. And here's the best part. Being SAP certified gives you a serious edge over the competition. Think of it as showing up to a race with jet-powered sneakers, while everyone else is in flip-flops. Now, let's tackle a big decision. Online vs. offline training. Online gives you flexibility, letting you learn in your pajamas, no judgment. Offline, on the other hand, gives you structured learning and face-to-face interaction. Costs vary too, so that's something to consider. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your learning style. So, are you a self-paced explorer or a classroom warrior? Choose wisely. As we wrap up, let's revisit the core ideas we've shared today. First, we've covered some essential points that are worth remembering. Second, these takeaways are not just knowledge, but tools you can use. Third, applying these insights can lead to significant results. Don't underestimate their power. Finally, take a moment to reflect and consider how you can put these ideas into action. A little effort can lead to big changes, and who doesn't love that? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.